Hi friends, welcome back to my channel.
It is a beautiful Sunday morning, 3rd of June. So, this is my final and the last vlog from my New York trip. We all had almost same breakfast like the last day only. Around 10:30 in morning, we all got ready, done our breakfast and did little bit of cleaning and arranging the house as a matter of courtesy before leaving the house. Bye bye everyone, we are leaving this house now. Now we are heading towards Times Square because for the final day we have booked the hotel there. So we are going for an early check-in. We will put our luggage in the hotel and then go out in the city to explore with the help of trains and buses. Let me give you a quick view of my hotel room. We stayed in Doubletree by Hilton and I really liked the hotel room. There was enough space in the master bedroom as well as in the living area. These are the two beds which were there in the master bedroom, and in the living area there was one sofa cum bed. This is the sofa cum bed on which Sia is playing. So overall everyone was very comfortable to sleep in the night. Now we are having the complimentary coffee in the hotel and after that we will go out. Now we have come out from hotel and exploring the city by trains and buses. We have returned our rented car and Sunday evening is reserved for enjoying in Times Square only. So we will cover leftover places in daytime only. It is a train station plaza and a shopping mall adjacent to 9/11 Memorial and the shape is named as Oculus.
अभी हम लोग यहाँ सिविक सेंटर पे हैं और ये जो वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर है उसका एक स्टेशन है। तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी शॉप्स हैं, आप देखो इस तरफ तो एक तरह से मॉल जैसा बनाया हुआ है और यहाँ ट्रेन्स भी आती जाती हैं और ऊपर से काफ़ी सारी शॉप्स हैं, आप शॉपिंग कर सकते हो। बहुत सुंदर बनाया हुआ है और आ जाओ, बहुत अच्छा बनाया हुआ है। तो बस आज हम लोग पूरा ये न्यूयॉर्क को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रेन्स एंड बसेस। और जो हमारी कैब थी वो जो हमने रेंट करी थी फर्स्ट वाले डे वहाँ पर एयरपोर्ट से, वो हमने रिटर्न कर दी थी।
This is the new World Trade Center building which is formed after the demise of the 9/11. The National September 11 Memorial is a tribute of remembrance and honor to the people killed in the terror attacks of September 11, 2001. Here are the memorial's twin reflecting pools, which are each nearly an acre in size and feature the largest man-made waterfalls in North America. The pools sit within the footprints where the twin towers once stood. The names of every person who died in the attacks are inscribed into the bronze panels. There was one survivor tree outside which I forgot to click. Now we are going inside the 9/11 museum. These are some of the old pictures of the Twin Towers. And these are some pillars from the World Trade Center building which was attacked in the 9/11. These are some of the leftover remnants from the old building of World Trade Center. And these are the stairs people took, and the people were running to save their lives. These stairs says the painful stories of those people. These are some of the messages seen on the screen which the visitors who visit the 9/11 museum they write for the people who lost their life and to the friends and family of them. I also wrote 2 messages from my side. These blue ribbons signifies the end of recovery efforts and the heroic teamwork of the people who were part of the rescue operations. This screen shows the name of the volunteers who worked day and night for the cause. These are some of the pictures taken from the search operations.
That's when it started to really become painful. The mayor said to me, "What do you think the law?"
We must have been about 6 or 7 blocks north of where we started. I look back, I didn't see the building coming out, but I could begin to see the smoke and the debris coming into the canyon.
We'll never know because we lost Chief Downey. I can still see him looking at me with those blue eyes.
थर्ड पे हार्ड रॉक कैफे revenir tantôt? Tu peux revenir tantôt, sinon on va manger tard. Il commence
We went to one Indian restaurant in the Times Square named as Utsav for our Sunday night dinner. Coming back to hotel now, and I missed some of the videos for one or two more places we visited. Monday 5 o'clock morning. It was a rainy day and we left for the airport as we have a early morning flight. And I have got this magnet from 9/11 Memorial and one keychain. So one magnet and one keychain which I got from New York. So I came back from New York with the beautiful memories in our hearts, and I must say there is something in this name, New York, which attracts you towards itself. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. We'll be back soon.